Over here you can see that I got two video clips right here, and they are on top. One is on the top of the other clip right here. So I don't see anything beneath this particular video clip right here. But if I were to go around and utilize the composite settings, then I can go around and see some parts of the video that is on the bottom right here. So I'm just going to go around onto the top video right here and then access out the tools right here. And once I go around over here, you can see that composite option is here. So right now it's on normal mode. And if I were to go around and use this slider, then you can go around and change the opacity of the video, as you can see. So if I were to decrease the opacity, the top video right here becomes transparent, and then I can see the video beneath it right there. I can go around right here and then play this around over here as well. Well, let me just go around over here and then increase out the opacity. And now I'm going to go around over here from normal to add. And once I do that, what happens is that over here, the black parts of the video, anything that is black, it becomes transparent, as you can see right here, and you can see through it. Like in this dress right here and in the hair area, you can see that I can see through those particular areas right here. You can go around onto color right here to add them out in different ways, and you can use color blend right here so that the bright areas now become transparent, whereas the black areas remain as it is. Similarly, you can go around and use color dots right here. You can go around and darken it out so that the dark areas are more opaque, while the bright areas are transparent, as you can see right there. You can go for darker color difference right here, which changes out the color spectrum into the opposite one, and you can divide it over here just like this to completely turn it negative as well. So that is how you can go around and use the composite option inside of Davinci Resolve. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.